Hello everyone, and welcome to CGK, Curiosities about General Knowledge. Today, we're going to talk about Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system. Here are 5 fascinating facts about Jupiter that you may not have known before. Jupiter is a gas giant. When we say that Jupiter is a gas giant, we mean that it has a very different composition than the terrestrial planets, like Earth, Mars, and Venus, in our solar system. While the terrestrial planets have solid surfaces, gas giants like Jupiter are mostly made up of gases such as hydrogen and helium, with no solid surface to stand on. Jupiter's atmosphere is layered and complex, with swirling clouds of different colors and compositions. One of the most striking features of Jupiter's atmosphere is its Great Red Spot, which is a massive storm that has been raging for centuries. Because Jupiter is a gas giant, it has a much lower density than the terrestrial planets. In fact, Jupiter is so massive that it is sometimes referred to as a failed star. It's not quite massive enough to undergo nuclear fusion and become a star, but it's much larger than any of the other planets in our solar system. Overall, the fact that Jupiter is a gas giant sets it apart from the other planets in our solar system and makes it an intriguing subject of study for scientists and space enthusiasts alike. Jupiter's moons. Jupiter's moons are a fascinating and diverse group of objects. The 4 largest moons, also known as the Galilean moons, are named after the astronomer Galileo Galilei, who discovered them in 1610. These moons are Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto, and they are each unique in their own way. Io, for example, is the most volcanically active object in the solar system, with over 400 active volcanoes on its surface. Europa is thought to have a subsurface ocean, which makes it a target for astrobiologists searching for signs of life beyond Earth. Ganymede is the largest moon in the solar system, and it has its own magnetic field. Callisto is heavily cratered and is believed to be one of the oldest objects in the solar system. In addition to these 4 large moons, Jupiter has dozens of smaller moons. These moons are much smaller than the Galilean moons and are less well known, but they are still fascinating objects of study. The discovery of new moons around Jupiter is ongoing, with several new moons being discovered in recent years. In 2018, for example, astronomers announced the discovery of 12 new moons orbiting Jupiter, bringing the total number of known moons to 79. Overall, Jupiter's many moons offer a wealth of opportunities for scientific research and exploration, and they are a reminder of the rich and diverse nature of our solar system. Jupiter has a strong magnetic field. Jupiter has the strongest magnetic field of any planet in our solar system, with a magnetic field that is about 20,000 times stronger than Earth's. This powerful magnetic field is generated by the motion of electrically conducting fluids in Jupiter's interior, such as liquid metallic hydrogen. Jupiter's magnetic field is not only strong, but also very complex. It has a dipole magnetic field, similar to that of a bar magnet, but it also has other components, such as a non-dipole field and an equatorial current sheet. These components cause the magnetic field to fluctuate and create intense radiation belts around the planet. The intense radiation environment around Jupiter makes it a hazardous place for human exploration. Spacecraft such as NASA's Juno mission, which is currently in orbit around Jupiter, must be carefully shielded to protect against the damaging effects of the planet's radiation. Despite its dangers, Jupiter's magnetic field is a fascinating subject of study for scientists. By studying the magnetic field, scientists can learn more about the planet's interior structure, its dynamo process, and the interactions between the planet and its moons. Overall, Jupiter's strong magnetic field is one of the planet's most intriguing and unique features, and it highlights the incredible diversity of the planets in our solar system. Jupiter's gigantic storm. Jupiter is home to one of the most striking features in our solar system, the Great Red Spot. This is a massive storm that has been raging on Jupiter's surface for centuries. The storm is so large that it could swallow the entire Earth, and it's visible from telescopes on Earth. The Great Red Spot is a high-pressure region of Jupiter's atmosphere that rotates counterclockwise, with wind speeds that can reach up to 400 miles per hour. The storm is believed to be created by the interaction of different gases in Jupiter's atmosphere, including hydrogen, helium, and methane. Despite its size and ferocity, the Great Red Spot is not the only storm on Jupiter. The planet's atmosphere is a dynamic and constantly changing environment, with many smaller storms and vortices also present. Jupiter's storms are not just interesting to look at, they also offer scientists a window into the planet's atmosphere and weather patterns. By studying the Great Red Spot and other storms on Jupiter, scientists can learn more about the planet's atmospheric dynamics, including the role that the planet's strong magnetic field plays in shaping its weather patterns. Overall, Jupiter's gigantic storm is a captivating feature that highlights the awe-inspiring power of our solar system. It reminds us of the incredible diversity and complexity of the planets that surround us, and it offers a fascinating subject of study for scientists and space enthusiasts alike. Jupiter's fast rotation. Jupiter is the fastest rotating planet in our solar system, with a rotation period of just 9 hours and 56 minutes. This rapid rotation causes the planet to bulge at its equator, making it noticeably wider than it is tall. Jupiter's fast rotation is believed to be a result of its initial formation. The planet was likely formed from a spinning cloud of gas and dust, and this initial rotation was then amplified by the planet's gravitational interactions with other objects in the early solar system. Jupiter's fast rotation has several interesting effects on the planet. It causes strong equatorial winds that can reach speeds of up to 400 miles per hour, creating a banded appearance on the planet's surface. The rapid rotation also causes the planet to have a slightly oblate shape, with a polar diameter that is shorter than its equatorial diameter. Jupiter's fast rotation is also a challenge for spacecraft visiting the planet. In order to remain in a stable orbit around Jupiter, spacecraft must be carefully positioned and timed to account for the planet's rapid rotation. Overall, Jupiter's fast rotation is a remarkable feature that highlights the unique and diverse nature of our solar system. It offers a fascinating subject of study for scientists and space enthusiasts alike, and it reminds us of the incredible forces that shape the planets and objects that surround us. So, there you have it, 5 interesting facts about Jupiter. What do you think about this gas giant planet? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to CGK for more exciting curiosities about general knowledge.